fight back, build a stronger. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market. Let's keep tapping, guys. Thank you for joining. News is coming up in less than 1 minute now, so I want to see the reaction of the news. We've already done our break even on these guys. So I'm having a open TP now. I'm having an open TP for this guy. So anywhere market gets to, I'm going to close this trade. So this is our break even here. So the news is going to happen right now. So the news is going to happen right now. It's an open TP now. So where market is going to get to, that's where I'm going to take my TP, or going against us. Okay, it's time for the news. It's time for the news. Okay, it's time for the news now. So let's see. Okay, market is still pushing. Okay, market is still pushing. This is where market is now. It pushed down, it pushed up, it pushed down. Hopefully it's not going to take us out. Oh my god, that's that. So that's the news. So that is the news, guys. Okay, so the news actually spike up and spike down. The news has actually spike up and spike down. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Thank you for joining. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Please, let's keep tapping, let's keep tapping. So this guy now, on my account, please, let's keep tapping, let's keep tapping. I had this trade on two of my accounts, so, and by the time I actually dropped this trade, for them to remove this, it's actually few seconds. So many of them was unable to remove it. So this is a TP trade. So I leave the other one, but the other one actually is my break even because I removed the my TP. So I deliberately leave the second trade to just get to this level. So there we go on this guy. This is a good one. So the news spike up and spike. That is what the news actually did. The news spike up and spike down. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping, guys. GU. Let me post this guy. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless. And this, I will check the outcome of the trade now. I will check the outcome of the news. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's get to 2K likes. It's like a favored USD, but the way it spike up and spike down is what I don't really understand. Let's stop. Vyra, thank you for tapping. God bless you. Vyra, thank you. Thank you, Vyra. So is a TP on GU. Okay, is a TP on GU. We have a trade on NZD USD. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me see the reaction on the news of this guy. So let me show you guys. Please, let's keep tapping. So we have a trade running here. Okay, we have a trade running here. As you can see, this is the trade running. So the news actually favored NZD here. So that means let us quickly check what happened on that USD. The news. Let us see the outcome, guys. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's see the outcome. Let us see the outcome. No wonder. Look at that. This is it. As you can see, it didn't really come out well. Can you see? So it was only this card. So it is actually what they predicted. That is what came out right here. You see? So that is why you see that the high impact news is not a massive one. It just spike up and spike down. Okay, it just spike up and spike down, hitting our TP on GBP USD, and now this guy is pushing up now. So I expect this guy to keep pushing up from there. You understand? So I expect it to keep pushing up. So that is why I didn't tell my guys to delete this trade. So this is the only trade that we had that is running now. Let it load. NZD USD. Please, let's keep tapping. Why is network slow? Let's keep tapping, guys. So as you can see, this is the GU here. As you can see, this is the GU. And I still expect this GU to keep pushing. I expect more push. I expect more push to the upside. So this is our trade right now. NZD USD. NZD-USD. So here we go. All right, so it's actually spiking up. So I want to see this guy keep pushing up from where it is now. Let me close this and I'll open it again. I don't like the way it's doing. Please, let's stop. SML. Thank you, guy. Thank you, my brother. God bless you. So now that news has happened, I want to see how we can engage for a trade. Let me go check Euro USD because I'm willing to buy Euro USD. Let us check this Euro USD. I'm willing to buy it. Okay, so this is where Euro USD is. All right, this is Euro USD. So I think we can catch and I love what is actually going on here. So if you take a long position like this, okay, if you take a long position like this, our SL is going to be below here. Okay, then we're going to have like more than 1 to 2. So guys, engage on Euro USD for buy. Give me a minute. Euro USD, go buy. So I just buy now. So let me quickly do the TP and the SL on this Euro USD. Go and buy this guy and let your TP be on this level. Go and buy Euro USD now. So let me quickly do the SL and the TP. Here is the TP. Here is the SL. Here is the SL. Take your buy now. That is the SL. Here we go. So I want to go and post this guy now on our VIP. Give me a minute, guys. Let me quickly post this. Euro USD. Euro USD buy now. Buy now on Euro USD. Buy now on Euro USD. VIP. Euro USD. This will read your book. Apply proper risk management. Go and buy now. All right, so it has been posted. Please, let's keep tapping. As you can see, it has been posted now. I will quickly do my SL and the TP too. Please, let's keep tapping. Euro USD, where is it? Okay, it's actually pushing, as you can see. It's pushing, guys. It's actually pushing. So I think it's gone. I cannot post on the free Telegram group again. I wanted to go and do that now, but I think market is actually pushing. Or if I'm not sure market is going to pull back the way I'm saying it. Let's go to Euro US. Let me put it here. This is our running trade. I'm not sure it's going to come back. I'm not sure it's going to come back. I'm not sure it's going to come back. Please give me a minute. Let me do my TP, please. 152 290 1.16 50 50. All right, so there we go. So we have two trades running now, which is Euro USD and this guy. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Let's keep tapping. 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 Oh, let me see if I can actually post for them. Euro USD. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Euro USD. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. Use 1 to 2 RR. Let's tap and share. Let's tap and share. All right, it has been posted now. Shots don't lie. Keep your faith in good. Every setback builds a stronger. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your fear, don't trade with fear. Break those seasons, getting in. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's share the live stream. Let's share the live stream. So let's see. So we have two trade running: NZD USD. Euro USD. You know, I told you on this NZD USD, I'm going to be buying from that support. That was what actually happened. Okay. And this guy, I said it yesterday too, that I will want market to actually pull back inside this range. And the news has actually helped the market to push in. So I want to see more buys to the upside. I want to see more buys to the upside. Okay. So let's see how we can see 10 ticks now, which is volatilities. I will not really focus on it this week again. You understand? I will not really focus on it because it seems like is doing some kind of, I won't call it manipulation, but it's not actually aligning to what I actually wanted to do for now. You understand? So pending the time, we'll be looking into currency pairs, all right, and maybe gold or BTC. Okay, so we'll be looking into all of that. So we have two trades running on NZD USD, Euro USD. We already have TP on GBP USD that I posted. In fact, this GBP USD that I posted, right, I was so busy today, I went out. You understand? So as I went out, I already have the setup. I just wrote, okay, let me just see. While I was out, I quickly dropped this bias. I dropped the signal on the VIP. Okay, and this NZD USD was actually dropped as well this morning too. Okay, this guy too was dropped. You know, we analyzed this guy and I said it that I will be buying from this area. So from this our 4 hours zone right here, see, so that is where we bought from. I will make sure to put our SA here, and now market is pushing nicely. So what we expect now is I want market to now break out from this range. I want market to break out from this consolidation phase to the upside. Then we can secure our entry. We just do our break even. Then we allow this trade to run. This is going to be giving us about 1 to 10. Okay, this trade is going to be giving us about 1 to 10, and we are ready to hold this trade. Me personally, I am ready to hold this my trade. So if you look at where I'm using for TP, let me show you the zone I'm using for TP. I'm actually using this eye here for my TP, this leg, okay? This area, that is where I'm using for my TP, and that is our DR level. Okay, that is the DR. Okay, so you see that we don't really go far. We don't really go far, just from here to this guy. That is where I'm targeting for this area. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. It should be in a very, very nice trade. So we're going to be looking for opportunity on some currency pairs as well. Like I told you, we have serious buyers here. All these ones, can you see, we have setups here, but we might not be able to take them. Why? Because of what is actually going on. I don't like the way it's not actually aligned. Okay, and whenever you are trading like that and you discover that, oh, this thing is happening like this, so let me just take a short break or focus on other things. Then later on, I'll still be doing I can be all this training. I can actually take it on demo account and see, and next week we can try and see again before we continue. You understand? So this is how to make money in the industry. When you realize that, oh, this particular pair or some pairs are actually not working right for you at that moment, it's best for you to do what? To just look away. Or if you can take a break, you to take a break from the market, then come back and continue making your money. You know, you don't just keep forcing yourself in some certain areas and you just realize that you could just chop the essay back to back and it will not actually make sense to you. All right, so the best thing is just do what? Stay away and focus on some other pairs. All right, so let us check this GBP AUD. I think I have buyers on this GBP AUD. I have buyers there. While I was out, I did a bias on this guy. So market is actually approaching that zone. So I will explain to you how I come to this level. So maybe what I should do is let me start this guy from beginning so that you will see what I'm actually planning to do right here. Let us do this from the beginning, right? Please, let's tap and share, guys. So this is GBP AUD. All right, this is GBP AUD. Let me clear the charts, remove them. All right, so now let us start from 3-month time frame. I'm so sorry that I came very, very late. You know, I've already told you guys that I'll be coming live later in the day. There's something I'm actually doing, so I have to go out to go and it's actually going to be a good news. Don't worry, I'm going to share the good news here, and it might shock many people. So don't worry. So just be praying for me, okay? So all right, on this our 3MR, you see that we have a bearish movement. We have this lower high, higher low, lower high. So this is the what? This is our external high here, and this is what am I doing? This is our external high, and this is our external low right here. So all of this that is going on is actually internal. Okay, all this thing is what? Internal. So if you are taking any buy from here, that means we are taking our buy to this external range. That's what I'll be doing, right? But let us start from by marking our zones right now. So we want to mark our zones. Are you guys with me? Please let us tap and share this live stream. Are you guys with me? Let us tap and share this live stream. Are you guys with me? All right, so we have this our resistance level here. Okay, as you can see, this is our 3MR. All right, that is our beautiful 3MR. The market is respectfully respecting. Oh God, look at that English. The market is respectfully respecting this zone. Oh my God, nobody sabi English pass ratio. Okay, so we have this resistance level right here that this guy is rejecting. All right, so I expect market to do what? To break a certain level, then pull back and sell. Sure, you understand me now? Now let us go to our monthly time frame right here. All right, so on our monthly time frame, now what we go do? Okay, we have series of lows that market has broken, right? We have a low right here, 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 we have a low right here. All right, so we can mark any zone, right? So let us just mark this guy as our breakout, right? Let us mark the first one, which is this, as our shift. Okay, this is our shift. Okay, so if you change it to your line chart, you're gonna see it's clean and clear. This is our line chart. Can you see the level I mark? Okay, that is our shift that happened. So where do you think we're gonna be using for our entry? Definitely, you see this resistance level is where I will love to use as my what? As my entry. That is on our monthly time frame. So let us mark this resistance level right here. Okay, to this area. So I expect market to come to this area for what? For market to drop. This is our MR zone. So let me lock it. Lock it. All right. So what are we gonna do right now? We have a support level right here that market is actually rejecting from. That is on monthly time frame. We're gonna mark it this way. Boom. Okay, we are having an equal low right here. That is our MS. Boom. So from this MS, what do we expect to see? We go straight to our weekly, and if you look at what is going on here, market has already given us what? It's not really inside up. This is what they call a bullish engulfing candle. We have a bullish engulfing candle as confirmation that this guy is likely to keep pushing to the upside. And this high has been broken. But nevertheless, let's go to our weekly time frame. All right, so here we go on our weekly time frame. As you can see, we have a high here, we have another high right here. This high has not been broken, but market has actually broken this high to the upside. This high, right? So this is where we have our shift. Okay, so as we have our shift right there, where do you think I'm gonna be using for this entry? Of course, I would love to be using this guy. Let me just mark out this level. The extreme level right here, which is the support area, that is what I will love to use for our what? For our buy. That is our WS zone. Boom. Let me lock it. All right. So now, do you know that we can actually look for sell opportunity to the downside? Of course, yes. Look at this resistance level the market is giving us right here. We have series of rejections right here. That is our WR. Boom. So what do we need to do? We go to our daily time frame to look for a change of character around that point. And look at what we have right here. This was the rejection, and this is the significant low. This is a significant low where we have the shift, and that is our shift. Boom. Okay, so where do you think I'm gonna be using for entry? This resistance level is gonna, oh my god. Okay, we can mark it this way. It's gonna be our what? Our entry. Boom. As our what? As our daily resistance zone. Boom. Let me lock it. Okay, market tapped nicely and it dropped, so that means we should be looking for more sales. Am I correct? This is GBP AUD. Okay, so there's probability that this guy might continue dropping. Okay, so right here, market give us a resistance level with this rejection. It break down, it tap in here again, and now market is trying to drop to the downside. So there's high probability that this guy is actually going to drop. There's high probability. I'm coming, guys. Let me check. Okay, this is NZD USD, and this one is GBP AUD. Okay, all right. So let us go back. Where is our main bias? We expect this guy to drop to this level. That is what we expect, right? So let's go ahead. Now, market has already tapped in here for the sell. What we're gonna do is to mark out this our resistance level with this rejection. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Let's tap and share. This is our what? Resistance level. That is our daily resistance level. Okay, we want to go to 4 hours time frame. All right, so on 4 hour time frame, look at what happened right here. Market give us what? We have a shift here and we have a shift here. Let us mark this guy as our what? As our shift. So when we have that area as our shift, where do you think I'm going to be using for this entry? Of course, this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to be marking this whole zone like this. Now, can you see that this level, market did not actually tap in right there? That is our what? 4 hour zone. Let me lock it. Okay, market did not actually tap in properly. So there's this resistance level here that market use. So market decide to use this resistance level. So now, if you now check, you see that we have a trend line like this. Now look at this trend line. This becomes our what? Our 40. And as you can see, market is likely to keep dropping from there. So if we want to take this trade now, it's something we can take a sell. If this candle is going to close in seconds now. We're going to be taking a sell like this, put our SL this way, and our TP is going to be down, 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 down. Down to this leg. We can just use this leg. Then we are out. This leg is actually okay. Are you guys with me? So let me now do it this way. Let us have it this way, because market is giving us what? Head and shoulder right here. This is what? Head. This is what? Shoulder. And this is what? Shoulder. And we have a long bearish candle that closed. Okay, we have a long bearish candle that did what? That closed. So where we actually put our SL is actually good. So what do you think? Do you think we should take this sell? Please, let's keep tapping. Do you think it's actually going to be a good sell? So let me go to daily time frame. Let me check the target we want to use. So the target we want to use is actually this leg right here. And the main place I actually want this guy to get to, let me see, is this our weekly support area. So let me see the weekly support. Okay, so I want market to actually get to this leg. This leg is going to make a lot of sense to us. This leg here is going to make a lot of sense for our TP. Like this. I'm going to be holding this straight. So this is GBP AUD. Don't get in yet. Don't worry, don't get in yet. I'm going to tell you where to get in now. Okay, I'm going to tell you where to get in now. Don't give in. So let me see the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour has done here. All right, so this is the 1 hour time frame. So what 1 hour did was we have a higher high, low, market consolidates a bit here before we have a push, giving us this long wick. It pushed down here respecting the trend line. Then this is where market broke out from the trend line nicely. So I expect more drop, and where we put this SL is actually good. Yeah, so market can actually still push up here, then to push down. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. Gaza, I greet you. All right, so this trade we're gonna be having a sell on this GBP AUD, so you can take your sell right now. So give me a minute, let me engage. All right, so I will be doing my TP later, and I will adjust my SL properly. Let me quickly do this for our guys right here. Please, let's keep tapping. This is the SL, and our TP is down here. This is the TP. Okay. All right, so let me do the one for our free Telegram group as well. Are you on sale? Are you on sale? Are you on sale? So give me a minute, let me post GBP AUD right here. Let me quickly share this, guys. GBP AUD. Go on sale. Please, let's keep tapping. Is it reading? You are reading. Is it reading? You are reading. Yeah? You guys are shouting. Oh yeah, you guys should go inside and be doing that, please. Okay, you guys should go inside and be doing that. Keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a strong year. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't If you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. And if you want to join our VIP is $20 to join. $20 to join our VIP. Okay. So please, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So we have a trade running on GBP AUD right now. We have a trade running on GBP AUD right now. So we have 3 trades running. GBP AUD, let me bring it up. Okay. Anything we market won't do, we go follow. If one pair is not giving me money, then I switch. That is why I'm ratio. I don't give a care. I don't care, bro. All right. If one thinks he actually wants to, he doesn't want to give me money, I'm going to leave you and go to another place that I think is going to cooperate with me. Okay. And I will test run and check if that guy is actually ready for me. Then I'm going to go back to it. So synthetic okay, I've had you. So synthetic trades, which is a volatility, is the one we'll be trading for a while now. Okay, I'm not going to be taking a break, but I will not focus on it for now. The one I will be focusing more, currency pairs, and we'll be doing some of synthetics. Okay, so we all see how it goes. This was a good trade for me. and this one too is pushing well now. And this guy, we are leaving it on TP, and this gun will be getting at least 1 to 10. I told you the setup, that this is what I want to do on this setup. Why this guy was actually dropping, I told you that this is what I'm going to do. And when market got here, I get in right here. Let me go to 4 hours and you see where I put my SL in a well protected place. What's the problem? Can't use this thing now. Go and call your mommy for me. All right. So this is how I got in on this trade. I got in on this trade when we had this bullish engulfing here. When I had this my bullish engulfing, then I got in around here for the buy. All right, open that please and give it to them. You understand? That is how I got in. And where did I put my SL? I come back to my 1 hour and look at the zone below here. I am what did they call themselves? I was very careful about these areas, especially this guy. You see this guy that is there? I am very, very careful with it. So I need to put my SL, and this guy here, can you see this area? I need to put my SL below these key levels here. And you see that market used the 2 key levels. Look at it. Look at this support here. Can you see the way market came down to use it? And a tap and a push. You see the way it tap it there and a push. That is the 4S. Please, let's keep tapping. All right. So now my prayer now. Okay, do you know that I'm praying on this pair? The reason I'm praying is that market has been consolidating here for a while, which I explained. The high impact news that happened on Friday could not actually even break this guy outside. That was this guy. Okay. So all of the impact news that has been happening is still inside this range. So I expect this market to break. If market can break out, then I want to see a pullback and continuation. Then we'll do our break even. That is why I'm having a long trade on this guy. So I will not do break even. I not go do break even, and I will not tell my guys to do break even on this particular PM. It's either you break this high or you take us out. Let me show you this high. Let me just mark it out. This our 4 hour here, light here. If market doesn't break above, I am not going to do any break even. If market doesn't close above, no break even. Either you break above or you can't chop this SL. 2 things. So once we do our break even, then we leave the trade. So our GBP USD, okay, that one is CTP. Okay, GBP AUD that we just engaged right now is actually this now. Okay, this is the one that we just engaged for the sell. And Euro USD for a buy too. We are buying Euro USD. We are on a buy on this Euro USD. Okay, we are on a buy. Okay, I'll be waiting for market to just come back into this range so that I can buy up to that zone, to our daily resistance zone. Right here. Please, let's start. So which pair do you want me to check, guys? Which pair do you want me to check? Should we go check gold? Let's go check gold. Let's go check gold.
Hello, Rachel.
My boss, where is sir?
Good afternoon. I don't go mess up. Oh.
What happened?
You know that this thing, I was not looking. I was driving when he said break even. So it was on this NZD. This I did break even. I didn't even do break even on the other one. It was now that you are talking about it. I went to check it.
Wait, the GU, right?
The GU, you are supposed to do break even on GU.
No worry with that GU. That GU, the time I posted it, you don't ETP in here. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But I'm not supposed to do break even on NZD. And I did break even. I left the GDP. I went to do break even on this thing. It now took me out. honestly.
So you're not on that trade now?
I'm not on that trade again.
Oh shit. Oh shit, sorry. But what about the Euro USD? Are you on it?
Yes, I'm on it. I've been on it since morning, since when you posted it.
Okay. What about NZD, the one that I just posted just now?
Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it.
Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
I was trying to the Euro USD. I enter one up, so I wanted to push up. That's why I didn't come up.
Okay.
Time. I wanted it to push up and close the upper one.
The upper one.
That one.
Okay.
Because I came in late.
Okay. No problem about that.
If you push, I've been able to close the upper one and leave the down one.
No problem.
That one don't go now. If you push down back, I can enter. If it doesn't, that one may they go. At least I did CPI today, but I don't chop too much.
No, the thing spike.
No, I waited though. I didn't enter. I waited for the spike. It's after the spike I enter.
You enter, I'll be okay. The thing spike.
No. But it's just $70 I get.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not bad. That's not bad.
It's not bad. At least we are coming back from our synthetic drawdown.
Yes, of course. We go come back, and the synthetics too. We are not going to focus more for now.
Yes.
For now, we're not going to focus more for now.
Even the one I entered today.
Yes.
Because it's just training. I was just doing.
Okay.
It was going up. I was putting the essay so that it will not come down back. Eventually come down, and he eventually came down back.
That's crazy.
Person go come the watch trade like that. Say, you won't collect this thing for the award for the.
I swear. You go calm down for him, so you don't have any choice.
Yes, it's better.
Let us check this gold together. Let us clear this chart on gold, and let us have a clean setup. Let's tap and share the live stream, guys.
But I'm suspecting that we are going to get a new on-time high from this gold.
It's possible, but it is fundamental that can actually push this thing.
Yes, I'm suspecting it.
And the fundamental has been pushing it for a while now.
Yes.
All right, so this is our 3-month time frame. We have a resistance level here that market is likely to get to, and it might possibly get there the way I'm saying it. So let us mark it out. So that is our CDMR. All right. So on our monthly time frame, let's check what we have on monthly time frame. Okay. So this is our monthly time frame, and this is the zone I want market to actually get to. This is the TDMR. Why is it not changing? So let's go straight to weekly. Nothing to draw here on weekly time frame. So there we go. So this TDMR now, let me just take it out so that this will not disturb us. So this eye is actually going to be a eye that I will be targeting, or let us use the recent one, the closest one right here, which is this guy. That's our WR. Please, let's keep tapping, guys. Okay, so this is WR, and look at where market is rejecting from. Market is actually rejecting from this level. All right, market is rejecting from this level, which is our WS. Okay, which is our what? WS. So from this point now, we want to go to daily time frame and look for a shift that happened. Where is the shift that happened right here? So this was the first rejection, and this is the major high that market created. So this is the major shift that I'm going to mark. This is my major shift that happened in the market. All right. So when we have this major shift, okay, there's possibility that market can just tap in here and drop for what? For more sales. But from where market is now, we should be looking for more buys to this area. More buys to this guy. More buys to this guy. So on the daily time frame, we have a resistance here with this rejection. All right. But let me see what we have around that point on our weekly time frame. Hey, Mr. G Lavi, I greet you. See the weekly this here. Okay. All right. There's no rejection. So let's go to daily now. So from this area, I want to see market drop for more sales, and I will explain. This is my reason. All right. On weekly, you see that this resistance was mitigated, and market broke below this spot. We have a shift then to the downside. And market created this liquidity. Then you see the resistance level that market touch here. I want to see market use it once more. So that is where I want market to actually get to, and possibly to sell from there. So now let us go further to our 4 hours and see how we can see opportunity for more buys. All right, so on our 4 hours, you see that the way gold has been printing, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and market is trying to break to the upside. So market is finding it difficult to break this high. Okay, market is finding it difficult to break this high, which is our 4 hour. All right, this is our 4 hour zone. So from this 4 hour zone, right, if I go to 15 minutes, if we have a proper break, okay, now 15 minutes has given us the break. Look at that. All right, 15 minutes has given us a break, and it is actually good to go forward more buys now. Or we can actually wait for another 15 minutes to break. We buy and we put our SL below here. That is going to be a good continuation for this gold. It's going to be a good continuation for this gold. So before we go to this 15 minutes, let me go back to 1 hour and see something. Please, let's keep tapping. You see the spike that happened. That was a spike. So the spike happened and tapping here and reject. Okay, and reject from that point, which is our 1S zone. That is our 1S zone. So we go to 15 minutes and see what is going on 15 minutes. So like I said, 15 minutes has broken out from this 4 hour resistance level, right? Good. So we have a shift that happened there. This is the shift. Okay, this is the rejection. Okay. Yes, this is the shift that we have, and market has actually give us that, and it might actually still come back here and pull up. So the best thing to do is actually to wait for any candle, any 15 minute candle now to close above this 4 hour. We're going to engage. Our SL is going to be here. Then we go to the top. Then we are going to push this thing to the top. So that is the way I'm going to approach this guy, because gold might actually still do this. It might still come down like this and be doing this again. All right, any I want to, I'm waiting for market to still close above before I engage. You understand? That is what I want to do on this guy. That is what I want to do on this guy. So that is that for gold. So they said we should check V what? Koipala, what happened when I was away? I agree to Mama. Can you explain V75? Okay. It's been a while, Koipala. V75, where you? We have a bias on V75, okay, but I don't think we're gonna be taking trade on synthetics for now. So I told you yesterday that V75, that the market condition around there is not actually too nice. So what market is trying to do here is trying to create a high, low, higher low, equal low here. Now we have another high here. So possibility that market might actually break it and tap in here. Okay. So this guy is actually not too good for us to engage at all. Until market gets to this area, then you have a confirmation that you can sell from there. You understand? But you can sell from there. But for now, synthetic is just doing some kind of up and down. Okay, so let us check step 500 as requested. So this was the step 500 that we missed the entry, okay, because it's actually volatile. That's why we could not engage. So So this is it, okay? So there's nothing we can do there. It's too volatile. It's too volatile for us to trade. It's too volatile. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's check our GBP UD too. Okay, it's still on our entry zone. Then our NZD USD. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So here we go on our trades. Okay. V25.
Every setback, build a strong patience, pace. Let your winners run.
You guys should leave there now.
Till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Breakthrough seasons getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure.
So we have a bias on this guy. So we have the bias on this guy, which is a V25, all right? And as you can see, this is our weekly time frame, right? So I'm waiting for market to come to this support area, all right, this support area, so that we can actually look for what? A buying opportunity. And if you look at what market has been doing here, market give us this low, lower high, lower low, higher high, and this is where market is at the moment, okay, on our weekly time frame. So if you go to our daily time frame, okay, you realize that we have what, like a low here, higher low, then another higher low right here. And when we have that higher low, we have a high here, lower high, another lower high. So market is trying to form what we call a pennant. That is what market is trying to form. So there is a room for us to actually look for what, buying opportunity to push up a bit, to give us like 1 to 2, okay, to give us minimum of 1 to 2. So let's go to 4 hours and see what is going on there. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So this is the 4 hours time frame. All right, you realize that we have this guy. So let me draw this trend line from this guy, extend it this way. Extend it this way. As you can see, this is what our 40. All right, that is a 40. So you see that market give us a high, it push down, higher high, it push down, higher high, it push down. Now market is likely to give us another new higher high. So now to do this continuation of this buy, all right, we have our 4 hour support here. Okay, as you can see, this is our 4S. Stop that. Go and wash your hand. Go and wash your hand. So we have this our 4S. Then we want to go to our 1 hour time frame and look out for a shift. All right. So we have a high here that market give us the shift. This is where the shift happened. So this is the shift. And if you want to look for buy, of course, just use this other block this way. Okay, which is your 1S zone. All right. So now market has done what? Has tapped nicely and now is pushing to the upside. So the only thing we now need to do now is allow the market to give you some pullback, like 50%. If you mark out your fib level from this low to this high, okay, just allow the market to give you what? A push down here, then push up again to the upside. So this is going to make a lot of sense for a continuation for this V25. Are we clear, Mama? So this is what I'll be looking out for. Okay. So even though if you want to trade synthetics now, we'll be doing half of what we normally risk. That's what I'm going to do for now. I will risk very, very small, like $25. That one is still fair. Okay. So just to test this thing again, because this guy is not really cooperating like the way he used to. It's not really cooperating the way he used to. So which pair do you want us to check? I will appreciate currency pair. I will appreciate currency pair. I will appreciate currency pair. I will appreciate currency pairs. So if you have any currency pair, let me know. Let me see this gold. Let me see this gold. So we have our 1T here that can actually still push this market to the side. So like I said, this is our 1 hour rejection. Then 15 minutes, we are looking for shift, right? So the high that was created before the shift was this high. So this is where the shift happened. So this is where the shift happened. Okay, so there's possibility the market can still push down, use this support or use this support. You can use anywhere around here for a pullback. Okay, for a what? For more buys to the opposite, to the upside. So I think I have bias on UJ. Let me check the UJ. Jared, return all those things now. Now. I think I have bias on UJ. Return it. I'm talking to you. Let us check this USDJPY. I have bias there.
Close it.
Okay, it's still far. All right, so I like what this guy is doing now. Let's go to daily time frame. I like this kind of spike that market spiked down. I love this kind of spike that this guy spiked down, because I want to see more buys to the upside. That's what I want to see on this UJ. Market has already given us a rejection from this, our MS and this daily support. All right, we have this low, lower high, low, higher high to the upside. So on 4 hours time frame, because I'm looking forward to buy, all right, so this is what happened. You see that we have this push down, a push up, you have a spike down, a push up, this is another spike down. So this spike down now, I want us to take a buy on this particular spike down, this guy. So let us see the 1 hour time frame, because that was the behavior of this guy. You understand? We have a spike, a market will still push up, have a spike, market will push up, have a spike, market will push up. All right, so in this case we will be doing this continuation. Let me see that properly, please. Let's stop. Let's see. this support area. Oh my god, yeah, 1 hour support here. Market is still respecting it. Market is still respecting it, which is our 1 zone. Okay, yes, market is still respecting that zone. So let me see the 4 hours time frame. All right, so 4 hours now, it's not going to look like it's rejecting from what, a fair value gap here. It's not giving a touch here. This one has been mitigated. It has been mitigated, but the zone that was here, which is on 1 hour, that is where market is using. Is there a zone on daily? Let's see. All right, so no zone on daily. So let's go back to 4 hours now. Because if you check this daily give us an indecision candle, so which means I want to see more continuation to the upside. So this present candle can turn to bullish candle today. So let's go to 1 hour. Leave it now. So the way we have this spike now, it make a lot of sense. All right, so let us go to 15 minutes and we're going to engage for a buy now. All right, so this 15 minutes has given us what, a nice support level here. Can you see we have a nice support level looking like a bullish engulfing, but it's not engulfing the wick. You only engulf the candle right here. All right, and look at this candle. This is what is it called? We have hammer, we have hanging man, we have inverted hammer. So this is what they call inverted hammer. Can you see this inverted hammer? All right, this is inverted hammer. Okay, so it is good for us to take our buy position from here right now. Go long and don't risk too much on this trade. Make sure you put your SL like this, okay, and go long. So I will give you where we'll be using for target. So give me a minute, let me engage, guys. UJ. All right, guys, so you see the market is pushing, right? So just engage. I told you guys, let us put our SL here. Put your SL right there. Please, let's keep tapping. Put your SL right there. So let me look for target. Let's go to our 1 hour time frame. Okay, I want us to take this eye. Let me see the 4 hours. I want us to take this eye out. Then target this guy. Here is actually good. This eye here. Okay. Boom. As our what? 4 hour. Please, let's keep tapping. So let's go back to that 15-minute time frame. So take your buy now. Then this is the TP. Okay. Take your buy on this UJ. After the spike has happened, that's what we're doing. So if you want to be trading UJ or GJ, allow spike to happen before you engage. Number one, look at your bias. I'm giving you a secret now. You check the bias. If the bias is actually buy, all right, wait till afternoon or until market give you a spike, a good spike, just like the way we have it. Then let it give you some confirmation, like price action. Confirmation that yes, this guy is likely to keep pushing up. Then you just engage for what? You just engage. That's just it. So this is that. Let me have the one for the free Telegram group. I say you should return those things. Are you on the buy? Are you on the buy, guys? Are you on the buy? Are you on the buy? We are running in profit, guys. Are you on the buy? We are running in profit. UJ, let me quickly go post this guy. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me quickly post this guy. USD JPY.
Charts don't lie. Your vision every setback. Build a strong.
All right, so it has been posted now. So 2 of them has been posted. Please, let's keep tapping. So we have a buy on UJ now. We have a buy on UJ now. Please, let's tap. So my brother, this is the TP. So the SL is 158 560 and the TP is 160 360. 160 360. Look at the TP here. 160 360. That is a what did they used to call itself? Psychological level. So let me go and do my TP. Give me a minute, guys. All right, so there we go. So let me add this guy as our running trades now. Let me look for one that I can remove here. Please, let's keep tapping. Let me remove. It's 30 years. Are you going? Bonode? What's available? Is it in Lagos now? Be fast now. No, my free for one. You need to be very fast too. Don't stay long. Bami ra gúgúrà tẹ padà ní. Bami gúgúrà nepa. If you're on the buy, say yes on the comment box. If you're on this buy, say yes on the comment box. If you are on the buy, just say yes on the comment box. So these are the trades that we are in now. These are the trades that we are in now. Will you take it away from there? Take it away from there. These are the trade that we are in now. These are the trade that we are in now. Please, let's keep tapping. Turn the pressure into priceless. Well done, sir.
Good, abeg.
Good.
Well done, good. Let's check that good, abeg.
Yeah, you know what? Let's go do all the thing he wants to do here. The best time to engage is on 15-minute time frame. Let us wait for another closure. You understand?
Okay.
Let him do all the things he wants to do. So on 15 minutes here, let me go to 15 minutes now. So on 15 minutes, market could have created a low here. They want to see a break above this 4 hour. Once you see a break, take your buy, put your SL below the low. Then you push up.
Okay.
Yeah, so let us see. Let's see. Please, let's keep tapping and share this live stream. Let's keep tapping and share this live stream. What is this? Cool. Okay, I leave now. I'll come back. Okay. Thank you. That is from YouTube. Ah, my brother. Imagine say na Jeffrey another day they do this one now. They say, massive profit. Let me see your win. Let me see your day. Let me see your day. Oh, everybody will be celebrating now. God.
Yeah, but you supposed to do it now.
Eh?
What you supposed to do that? Show me your district.
Why are they do
Maybe
it?
turn their camera now.
Ah.
Now people maybe turn their camera, maybe that one now.
I don't need that move. My brother saying that true. He saying that true from YouTube. Now so now.
Yes, now. They will say massive profit, massive profit.
Massive profit. Everybody gonna celebrate. They're gonna say the GOAT. G-O-A-T, GOAT. Greatest of all time in trading. Look at the wine herself. Don't worry. I'm gonna shock in that small spot now. It be like say I need to scale up. Scaling up in the sense that make people they see say this ratio to Ghana small.
Now that account person supposed to work on.
Yes. Yes.
The account balance, ba?
Yes.
The person don't work on the account balance. Problem no go dey.
Don't finish.
You don't finish.
I swear.
Person fit carry 1K, read the risk 1K.
Wallahi.
Yes, now.
Omo. It is swear. In forex, it's very good to be diversified. Now why they always talk say there's no way they say me I no fit make money for this market. Because I have practiced all. I have tested all. And I make sure that everything actually works. Because in a strategy, if you are using one particular strategy, there will be a season that the strategy will not work. There will be a moment, there will be a time that the strategy will not work. You will not be blaming your strategy. You will not be putting the blame that what's going on. It's only telling you that.
But this is not. But this synthetic. This synthetic that you have issue. You not strategy.
No.
It's just.
It's not.
Crazy the worry. Crazy the worry synthetic head.
No, it's not strategy. It's not that. It's not aligning at the moment. So the moment you realize that okay, this thing is not, it's not giving you what you want, change your plan.
Yes.
Things not they did there forever. That's the one thing. Things not they forever. say as human being dey grow na so this thing too be now. Things go dey change. Things go dey change. Go say government go dey bring different new policy, new government, new policy. So if market remain in a same spot, say this is the only style, tell me how nobody go broke now, because everybody could have gotten it right. Everybody could have gotten it right in the market. If say na only one way this thing just dey, only one structure. So sometimes you see market will just change style. Market when you say they respect one particular support, wey be say you see e dey do double lows, you just realize say you no go dey see double lows again. Market go just dey do normal high low. Later on, market go change structure. E go tell you say one dey do triple support, triple resistance before market go push. Market go tell you say no, I want to be sweeping lows before I go push. There will be some time market go tell you say I no go sweep anything. You know, many things. So you too need to dey observe all these things as a trader. If you don't observe, if you don't follow up, you cannot make money. Because the season, the dry season that will come, that the system has changed, you will feel like omo, be like say I no sabi again. Oh, even though I said it one time ago that I want to look into futures. I want to look into futures. I will see how it goes. If futures too can give me money, if there is time for me to switch, I go switch. Okay now. If you join my life tomorrow and I tell you say now I'm focusing more on currency pair, you go talk say this thing just leave me. Yeah, just leave me. Na money I dey find. Just say go and sit down. Na money I dey find. So you too, you need to be cunning. You need to be a cunning person when it comes to forex. You need to be a very cunning person. Please, let's start on share. But this guy go really sweet me. Make this guy got the proof. Don't worry, he go come back. He's coming back to this support.
Oh, na currency pair. I know that's why I know to disturb myself. But you just told me to say I come to meeting.
He go come back.
Funny enough, on my that GDP this thing.
Yeah.
USD. Now 2 position I get to.
Wow. Me, I enter into different accounts. So one account each break even. The other one I leave am. But na one position.
No, now two position I get to.
Wow. Are you still on it or you don't close am?
No, you don't eat TP now.
You don't eat TP, yes.
Yes. That's why. You eat TP now.
Yeah.
Now that this thing push out.
The news.
Yes. CPI. This CPI, you watch people account though.
Especially people wey do buy limits and buy.
Yes, now. Somebody open 0.1, 0.1, 4.
You go don clear my guy account. My brother in South Africa, you know him now.
That guy, man.
Yeah, he was on live when I was doing my live too. So he had a buy stop, like 4 buy stop on it.
Right.
He had a 4 buy stop, and the thing first spike up before.
Good. I knew he was going to do that. You know, it was only $50 I was having in the account.
Okay.
So I was waiting that if I open this thing now, as I sit on saying, people they start saying now buy.
Yeah.
My man say make I don't open this, make this thing no go on spike go down.
Mm-hmm.
I just wait. As you enter, I just enter as you go down. I enter two position. You know, green open. You only open one.
Wow.
So as the thing come down a little bit, I open another one, make it two. So as the thing come go up.
You come closer.
That's why I was get like $70. And it's 0.2 and 0.1 is I open.
Wow.
0.01, 0.01, the smallest lot size.
Wow. That's crazy.
Assuming I don't open and $50 is gone. No?
Yes, now.
It's gone. That's the end of that $50. Exactly.
One more. Let me even see the GBP USD.
Yes, sir.
Let's look at it.
You know, he was already pushing already.
Yes,
Yeah,
it was pushing
down,
already.
But he spiked down before going up.
No, it first spike up before it spiked down. No.
He first spike up. Okay, it's true. See
No,
now.
see, now
Okay,
he be this. He spike up, he now spike down.
Okay.
He spike
No,
up before he
15
spike
minutes.
down.
15
Eh?
minutes.
Okay.
15 minutes on this.
You see, it's a bullish candle here.
I know he spiked down. He spiked down.
No.
See this 15 minutes now.
No. He spike up first. Let's go to 5 minutes. This is 5 minutes.
Yeah, now.
You go see her for 1 minute. Can you see? If it's 1 minute, if one spike up, it can't spike down. Now for down here, it close. This one can't open. You see him? So if first hit TP, it now spike down to entry. It now start pushing up again. Because I was watching it when the thing they do the
Yeah, I was not watching. I was on good that time.
Okay, you're on good. Okay.
Yeah. So I was not watching it. It was later and I went to it. That's when I realized that NZD has closed.
Yeah.
It's NZD I did go even, not GDP USD.
Okay. So guys, let's stop. We are going to hold this trade until TP.
But you supposed to affect this NZD now, USD.
New?
You supposed to affect it now. This NZD USD.
Yes. It affect am small.
It's supposed to affect it. It's supposed to spike up.
It's back on small. It's back on small. Now be this one.
Spike up small, huh? Okay.
It's back on small. It's back on small. So if you never engage on Euro USD, you can engage you. It's still giving you opportunity. You can engage if you want to engage. You can engage and continue your buy. So this one don't be say, I know if you take am, it's too volatile. Nothing dey volatile for this one. Just say. Okay, don't worry. If you have any question, send a request and let's have a talk together. Okay? So we have 4 trades running now. UJ, NZD, GBP, Euro. Now currency pair make me reach this level. So I no fit forget my origin. I cannot forget my origin. My origin is currency pairs. Euro, USD, GBP, USD is my origin. Before I can add gold. It is along the line. Synthetics won't come help us too. For 3 months and 3 weeks. The last week we're supposed to end our 4 months. To end 3 months. That is a 2 months and 3 weeks. That's supposed to end 3 months back to back wins. The week actually went bad for us. So the loan player, which is the currency pair that we loan, we don't connect them back now. We can't loan synthetics out. We go still loan them back. If synthetic is performing well, if synthetic collects the best player of the season, we go come bring our player back. You understand? But let the synthetic go build himself first. Make it go build himself first. But we go see the scout time. Go the scout some pairs, you know, to see how it's going. Maybe we can actually see opportunity. If you see opportunity, you might be taking some small risk on it. Please, let's keep tapping. Because the main thing is we need money. Our ratio need money, man. Need money. Okay, let's tap and share. So I will tell you for far, right? The best time to take this trade, if you want to be making money back to back on UJ, especially on UJ, I don't talk and I will say it again. Anytime, just wait. Be waiting for a spike like this. Once you see a spike, go to lower time frame like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and look at the structure. Look at what market creates. The market create a support with rejection, or it has given you a bullish engulfing candle. That's for a buy. Just buy. Just like the spike we have here. If you go to lower time frame, you will see. Take your buy. Just like the spike we have here to the downside, you see opportunity. Take your buy. Just like the spike that pushed down here, you see opportunity here. Take your buy. So this kind of spike is like what we are actually trying to do here. You understand? So that is following the trend though. Don't be saying you are doing it against the trend. You should understand the bias first. What is the bias of the market? Market is bullish. So there's a way market is actually going to, right? So you'll be doing that until, look at this spike too. When market spike down, look for opportunity all rather than continue your buy. Continue your buy. You understand what I'm saying? That is a scope that you can use. If you don't know, you should know now. Please, let's tap and share. You go just move slowly. Go they move slowly. It might take a while. Just leave the market. Just leave them. Just leave them. Don't rush. If you're rushing, you rush out. Please let us tap and share this live stream. If you have any questions, send your request and let us talk. If you want to join our VIP, it's $20 to join. $10 is for 2 weeks. And I have this platform. Let me show you. I have a discount. I have a discount for people that want to join. I have a discount. So monthly subscription is $20. For 2 weeks, it's $10. Then discount here is for 1 year, which is 12 months, is $200. So that means we are removing 2 months from it. You understand? So you just pay 200 for 12 months. And if you want to go for 6 months, okay, it's $100. So we'll be removing just 1 month discount from it. That is for it. $100 for 6 months to be on this VIP group. So if you want to be on the VIP group, guys, I can't wait to have you there. Let us smuggle some money from the market. Most smuggle, most tiffer. Let us take our own. The things that belongs to us, let us take it from the market. Because market has been taking money from us, right? Market has been taking money from many of you for many years, for many months. It is time. At the verse, it is time. I said it is time to collect that thing that belongs to you. Oh God. It is time. It is time. All the losses that you'll be having, don't see it as if you are losing. Don't see it as if the money is gone. No. One way or the other, you go collect them back. He's just telling you to go and fix yourself right. Go and fix yourself right. Go and fix yourself. Once you fix yourself, then you can come back to the market. You will just be taking it gradually, small. You'll be taking it small. Please let us stop and share this live stream, guys. Let's stop. If you are not joining on this guy turn, now you can start you. I'm not gonna know what you look for again. It's better you join us now so that we could chop the asset together. Rather you join us before you go, so that the asset we're going to say yes, we could chop them together. This one too, now sell with the seller. Let's see what will happen. You understand what I mean? Let's see. This one we're only going to be getting just 3.61. You'll be getting 3.61 right there. Can change it all, you know. All the people season can change. One small smoke can change your life. Tiny pressure is a process. It's your too. For the table myself every time. I'm expecting more push to the upside. So let's see if there is any opportunity. Let's see. No, it's not showing up. So let's get away. Jump 10. I want us to take this trade on jump 10. I want us to take a sell from this jump 10, from this point. I want us to take this trade on jump 10. This guy has been posted already on our free Telegram, so I'm expecting a sell from here. Let me see if I can put alert SF. Let's see. Can I create? Okay, yes, we can create. So alert has been created there, so I'm waiting for a sell from there. Please, let's keep tapping. I'll be closing my live stream anytime soon, okay? Because I'm tired. I went out this morning, so it's been a hectic day, a very hectic one. Hectic. So we have this daily support. Let me see the 4 hours. Do we have a shift? Okay, market is likely to give us a shift now. So I want market to come back so that we can take our buy. So let me see the next one. All right. So all these ones are actually enough. All these guys are enough. So I'm expecting this guy to push down here so that we can have the continuation for a buy. But not be all you go take. The one way you go take, that means we just be risking very small money. So this guy has gotten to our daily zone. Let's go to daily time frame. It has gotten to the daily support area. Aha. So this guy now, if this guy now rejects, if this guy should reject from here, then tomorrow we look at the confirmation that we have tomorrow before we can engage on this. All right, so this one too has gotten to our daily resistance zone. So let us see. So this is where market is now. Can you see this point? So I will now begin to look for what? Maybe like a change of character on lower time frame. Okay, before we can engage. All right, so let's check this guy. So this was the one I said I want market to just pull up so that we can continue looking for what? Buying opportunity. All right, so market is actually pushing back. So market can actually push back here, then it's going to be a best thing to around there so that we can engage for more continuation. So these are the things that we have. So this is Euro USD coming back to our entry on our drawdown at the moment. So let me lock this guy. Lock it. Aha. So we have this guy running. All right. We have GBP AUD. Yeah, GBP AUD running. Okay. And we have NZD USD. We have NZD USD running. Okay. And we have USD JPY running. USD JPY just a spike, just a push up. This one no one send anybody. They send. All right, so family, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for coming through. Tomorrow, by the grace of God, I'll be coming live by 9 a.m. in the morning. By the grace of God, I'm not going out tomorrow. Okay, so make sure you enjoy yourself. Stay cool. Don't fight with the markets. If you chop and sell, take it. If you chop TP, take it and enjoy. All right, enjoy the music and take care of yourself. See you tomorrow. Love you guys.
Turn the pressure into priceless heart. Profitable mindset every time.